Earthlings out there. So today we have, say, a bit of a different video than normally. So as you can see, kind of here, it's got this massive box of baseball cards from 1990, and we have all these sleeves. Today we're going to do 3 sleeves, and there's 45 cards in each sleeve. As you can see here, each sleeve has 1 All-Star Game card. So we're just going to start the unboxing now. We have our first pack. I'm gonna open it like that, so I'm just gonna show you what I got. So we got Ron Karkovice, Andres Galarga, Chris Carpenter, Art Howie, Willie McGee, Harry Larkin, Mike Fitzgerald, Lee Gitterman, Jim Deshies, Willie Randolph, Tom Brunaski, Howard Johnson, Brad Clemens, Terry Francona. That's cool. He's the Indians manager. Vince Coleman, Devin White. Do you wanna know? There's our first pack. We didn't get the All-Star Game card that time, but we have 2 more packs in that sleeve. Onto the second pack in the sleeve, we have Mike Jackson, Russ Nixon, Jamie Moyer, Bruce Ruffin, Randy Reddy, Ron Jones, Gary Pettis, Dwight Evans. That's a good card. We're gonna put him there. Tom Browning, Steve Lyons. That's another pretty good card. Joe Morgan, Jose Reggio, Jeff Robinson, Kurt Young, and Bob Milwaukee. Okay, so the All-Star card needs to be in this pack because 1 per sleeve. So we have Brian DuBois, Ryan Meyer, Mariano Duncan, Ben McDonald, Bucky Dent, John Wetland, Wally Backman, Rich Monty Leon, Willie Wilson, Mike Smith, Earl Cunningham, Ron Robinson, Roger McDowell, Jim Abbott. There's Mark Davis. We have the All-Star card. Well, this is an All-Star card. Like the commemorative. It's Wade Boggs. It's a good card. I would have that as a Red Sox fan. Okay, it's gonna go. What's this one? So that is all for sleeve 1. There's 2 sleeves left. Don't worry. So the second sleeve now. Open it kind of behind the camera. More space. Taking out the first cards. So we have Tom Foley, Jody Davis, Craig Biggio, Dan Petrie, Pedro Guerrero, Dave Magadan, Jeff Brantley, Dean Nelson, Gary Ward, RJ Reynolds, Jim Lefebvre, sorry I said that wrong, Scott Carrolls, Damon Berryhill, Rick Dempsey, Bill Bradley, Manny Lee. And that's it for pack 1. Really big stack here. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out pack number 2. So, Dave Smith, Mark Grant, John Costello, Bert Stilwell, Herm Winningham, Tony Pena, Mitch Webster, Ron Carmen, Mike Maddox, John Zimmer, Evan Hickey, Joe Orsola, Scott Bradley, John Charlton, and Jose Gonzalez. That concludes pack 2 of sleeve 2. So now, so far, all the last packs contain the All-Star card. I just turned it over. Last one, Julio Franco will be our All-Star for this. So both American League. And put the All-Star sectors. To reorganize a little. Sorry about that. Frank Viola. Andy Van Slyke, pretty good. Frank Viola. Mel Stottlemyre Jr., Ed Nunez, Tom Need Fewer. This is another All-Star. Jeff Ballard, Joe Canseco, Brian Holman, Tim Tufel, Tim Drummond, Tommy Helms, Mike Stanton, Mike Fetters, Adam Peterson, and Willie Frazier. So that will conclude sleeve 2. Can't even talk. Conclude sleeve number 2. As you can see, we have the All-Star stack. Wade Boggs and Julio Franco. We have the good card stack. We have not really bad, but just gotta think that pile is. So on to our very last. I already see the All-Star card. Very last sleeve. Dave LaPointe, Ernie Witt, Junior Felix, Raymond Martinez, Alfredo Griffin, Dick Schofield, Jack Howell, Louis Polonia, Larry Sheets, Ricky Jordan, Demaso Garcia, Ryan Downing, Todd Worrell, Dan Pascua, Lonnie Smith, and Mark Grace. Jim Presley, Joel Skinner, Jimmy Gladden, Marvin Freeman, Linda Scara, Chappelle, Bill Landrum, Ali Hamaker, Geronimo Berroa, Kent Anderson, Mark Eichhorn, Jeff Hewson, Jeff Blazer, Jim Rice, it's in the card, off good and pretty good. Now for the last pack of the video, the last pack of the third sleeve. Has contained the All-Star card. Kyle Abbott. Mike Greenwell, that's pretty good. John Franco, I think he's good. I know though. Jose Guzman. Tony Gwynn All-Star, that's a good card. Ken Griffey Sr., that's still a pretty good card. Rod Nichols. Rex Hudler. Another Mike Greenwell. Frank Thomas. Jose Guzman, I think that's another Tony Gwynn. Wait. Doubles. Yeah. And another Ken Griffey. That's crazy. 2 of 4 cards in the same pack. Another All-Star. This is an amazing pack. Brett Saberhagen. And finally, our first National League. Rick Russo. We have our 3 All-Stars. We have all the kind of in-betweens, but insane. Like Mike Greenwells. I'm sure. Mike Greenwells. Jose Guzman. We have Griffey Seniors. Really good. Got a lot of All-Stars. Oh yeah, I think it was 20 Gwynns. Whatever. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Yep, 220 Gwynns right here. I think they were on the same pack. Okay, so that'll conclude the video. We got a lot of good pulls, a lot of good cards. If you enjoyed that, leave a comment if you want to see another one. And if you want to see more unboxing in general, as we have the World Cup, I could do some World Cup themed unboxing, maybe some soccer stuff, anything baseball, any sport, just comment down below, whatever you want, and until next time, stay legendary.